Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to compress video in Filmora, optimize video size, easy Wondershare Filmora tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open the Filmora app onto your device and right after import the media that you want to use. So you could add your clips here by dragging and dropping them, or you could click onto the plus icon to browse onto your different files. Now, we're going to use this user guide video in here. So we're going to compress the size onto this or lower its resolution so that it will lessen its size. So we'll right click onto this first and let's try to see the current size of this video. Now let's click on properties. And as you can see, the file size for this one currently is 4.79. So let's click onto OK and let's drag and drop it here onto the timeline just like that. Now to lower its size or optimize its video size, we could do that one here under the export option. So click onto export here onto the upper part. And right after, you should be able to see the different quality for that one. So we're currently using the recommended one, and as of the moment, it will see the same size as of the moment, since we did not do anything for this. So what we need to do, we're gonna need to lower that one out, and as you can see, the current size is now 3.72. So if you export that, you'll have the same size of 3.72 onto your device, and we have successfully compressed the video or optimized the video size. And that is how easy you could do it. And if you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.